In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Socrative to do some quick questions and also to do the exit tickets, which are my two favorite options in this particular piece of software. They do have a really good help guide available, so you can go and take a look. Socrative.com is the address you're looking for. Click on Teacher Login, and then make sure that you enter your details. I've already got them saved in here, and then click sign in. Now I've got this phone here to show you what it looks like as a student, so sorry if it's in the way a little bit. Now there are quite a few options in Socrative, but the two that I'm quite interested in are the quick question and the exit ticket. So let's start with the quick question. It's super easy to understand. Now I'm just going to log in on my computer, on my phone here as a student. So I'm going to go Socrative.com, student login. And as you can see here at the top, there's the room. So that's my room number. So I'm going to enter it on the phone. Then join the room. That's going to join me. Join the room here. And as a teacher, I'm just going to ask a true or false question. And the beauty of this is that I don't actually have to write the question as such on the computer. I can just ask for it. For example, is Socrative a good tool? True or false? Okay, as a student, I just answer true, submit answer, and I've completed the current activity. Now, as a teacher, I can see as a graph how many % of people answered true or false. Then I can discuss with my class what the actual answer was, and so on. Can do the same for multiple choice questions. I don't have to have all 5 options. I could just have 3, 4, 5. It's up to me. As far as I know, we can't add another one. Or there could be a short answer question as well. Now, there are a couple of things. You can force students to actually put their name, for example, and you can get them to choose whether you want unlimited or single. So it really depends on the type of question you want to ask. Okay, so here I'm just going to say, yeah, sure, go ahead. And I'm going to answer this question. So as you can see, as a student, it actually changes automatically. The students have nothing to do but just answer the questions. So that's really, really cool. Okay, so I'm just going to answer the question here and then submit my answer. And there, as a teacher, I can see a list. So it's really good to collect ideas. Another thing I really like in Socrative, so by the way, I could get reports if I wanted to. Now I don't want any of that. I just want to finish. And you know, I just want to view it later. I don't really care about the results. But the exit tickets is really, really nice. Okay, so as a teacher, I want to know how well my kids, what they've learned or what they think they've learned during the lesson, and also perhaps ask them a question. So I'm going to say here as a student, so I'm as a student again, just enter my name, click done. Then it's going to ask me, okay, so how well did I understand today's materials? Pretty well. And then submit the answer. And then as a teacher, I can ask a question. For example, I can say, sorry, what did you learn in today's class? And submit the answer. And then there could be a question that I've asked. Okay, so for example, I don't know, what's the weather like today? Fine. Okay, so hopefully you'll ask better questions than that in your lessons. But there you go. I can see when other students would answer this. I could see as a teacher quickly, I could get a feel for how well the students think they have learned during the lesson, what they've learned, and whether they can answer the particular question that I've asked. And then you would release the students as they've done it. So this is a really nice activity to do. It takes seconds to set up. So Socrative, awesome tool, especially since they've revamped it. A couple of things, for example, the space race is quite nice as well for engagement, but I'll let you take a look at that.